Today I am reviewing Lenovo IdeaPad 315.6 Chromebook. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and efficient Chromebook for work, study, or casual entertainment, the Lenovo IdeaPad 315.6-inch FHD Chromebook is one of the best options available today. This laptop strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and value, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a seamless computing experience. Let's start with the display. The IdeaPad 3 features a 15.6-inch Full HD Anti-Glare screen, offering a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. The anti-glare coating ensures that you can work comfortably even in bright environments without straining your eyes, and the vibrant colors paired with sharp details bring your multimedia content to life. Whether you are watching videos, attending online classes, or editing documents, this display delivers a crisp, immersive experience. Under the hood, the Intel Celeron N4500 processor powers the Chromebook. While it's an ultra-low voltage processor, it's designed for efficiency and multitasking. Combined with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the IdeaPad 3 handles multiple Chrome tabs, streaming, video conferencing, and productivity apps with ease. The laptop also comes with 224 GB of total storage, including 64 GB eMMC, a 128 GB docking station, and a 32 GB microSD card. This ensures that you have fast boot-up times, ample space for your documents, media, and software, and the flexibility to expand storage further if needed. Graphics performance is handled by Intel UHD Graphics, which is more than sufficient for everyday tasks, light photo editing, casual gaming, and smooth video playback. Additionally, the Chromebook comes with a numeric keypad, which is a welcome feature for students, accountants, and anyone who frequently works with numbers. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you get faster, more reliable wireless connections, whether you're attending virtual meetings, streaming content, or transferring files. In terms of ports, it includes 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, 1 HDMI 1.4 port, a headphone/microphone combo jack, and a microSD card slot, giving you plenty of options for connecting external devices. For those who rely on video calls, the Chromebook features an HD front camera with a privacy shutter, ensuring that your online meetings are clear and your privacy is protected. Chrome OS is pre-installed, providing a fast, secure, and user-friendly operating system with built-in Google apps like Gmail, Docs, YouTube, and more. It also offers automatic updates, keeping your device up to date with the latest security patches and features. One of the standout features is the bonus docking station set. With a 7-in-1 docking station, additional storage, and cables, you can quickly expand your laptop's capabilities, charge multiple devices, and organize your workspace efficiently. In terms of design, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is sleek and lightweight, weighing just 3.48 pounds and measuring 0.75 inches thin. Its abyss blue finish gives it a modern, professional look that is both stylish and functional for everyday use. The anti-glare screen, combined with the lightweight design, makes it perfect for students and professionals on the move. To summarize, the Lenovo IdeaPad 315.6 Chromebook is a highly capable, versatile, and affordable laptop. It offers a bright full HD display, reliable performance with Intel Celeron N4500, 8 GB RAM, 224 GB combined storage, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and Chrome OS, all packed in a sleek, portable design. Whether you're studying, working from home, or simply browsing and streaming, this Chromebook provides excellent value and reliability. If you're looking for a Chromebook that is practical, efficient, and ready for daily use, the Lenovo IdeaPad 315.6-inch is definitely worth considering.